This is the Overhaul HD heavy duty off-road truck bed rack on a Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. We installed this adjustable Yakima truck bed rack. We also put on the RetraxPRO XR, which is that heavy duty aluminum retractable cover. This is gonna slide right back in seconds. You're gonna have full access to your bed. It's easy to use. These have the HD bars medium on top, and this rack is adjustable to different heights. You go out to your truck, you grab that handle, you slide it right back in seconds. It supports 500 pounds of weight on top. This is the best Yakima truck bed rack right now. People love the look of it. It's heavy duty off-road. You have the bottle openers here on the side. You have a nice matte finish. You got the locks on there. That XR rail. It has a sleek appearance. You can put the sidebars if you want to put those on the side. So if you're looking for the best truck bed rack right now, check out that Yakima OverHaul HD, installed at Truck Access Plus.